goodbye with a prayer, with a wish to have good health in mind and body, prosperity, and best endeavor in any work entrusted. From the first day I encountered with Sir till today, I have only seen a smiley mode on his face. I have never encountered nor seen the angry mode on Sir's face. I hope everyone could support me on that. We have never seen Sir in such an anger mode. We always seen him with a joyous moment, with a smiley face, which in turn encourages every one of us, whoever enters his court. Every members here would have something to express, but I know they could not. But Sir, take it that every members love you and wish that your future endeavor prosper and you may attain good health in every possible ways and work that you do. And we pray that and wish you that in life to attain the top pinnacle, you have to move one step ahead. We cannot just simply stay stagnant in one place where you will not reach to the top. To be success, we have to take a hard step where we have to shed tears, but then ultimately through that we will reach to our aim. Sir, thank you so much for your time you spent with us and sharing the moment of joy, happiness, and sharing your knowledge with all of us here. We will be indebted to you, sir, and we will miss you so much. And we hope that someday we will meet you in the court at Shillong, sir. That is our desire, and all of us will long to make that happen. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you everyone for your valuable time being here and sparing your cases, leaving your assignments and being here. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.